Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Women Gupshup. So body shaming is not a new thing. We all know about it. So there is a specific time which is given to every couple, and maybe 2 or 3 years they are given, and after that they are expected to have a baby. And the thing is that the woman has just adjusted to her marriage, and or both have adjusted to their marriage, and suddenly this pressure comes that you should have a baby. So it is a personal choice to have a baby, and it depends again on the couple. But there is no preparation for that. So the preparation is very very important because your body is not prepared, and you just conceive, and then the body, then you and your child both faces severe problems. So there should be an awareness regarding the preparation of the body for the pregnancy. So three things which are must when you are planning a baby, that is eating right, sleeping on time, and doing exercise regularly. These things are very very important. It should not be like that suddenly you have planned that okay, we want to plan a baby, and you are not taking care of your body, and you are working a lot in your office, and you are not having awareness what is happening in the body, and suddenly you just decide to get pregnant. These things affect your body in a very very negative manner, and later on it affects you and your child also. So these things needs to be taken care of because it's a very very important thing. Next is that when we are done with the delivery, then what happens that woman's body is drained of all the resources. She loses all her calcium, mineral, vitamins, and everything, and there's blood loss also in some cases. And it again depends on pregnancy to pregnancy. It's a We all know that we all know the risks which are involved in the pregnancy. So when we see these things, then again it becomes very very important to, when you are in this process, the delivery is done and you have your baby now, again breastfeeding comes and everything. So again you need to take care of yourself. It's very very important. Please don't think that now okay, now I have to take care of baby, I have to do everything for him or her. Your health is equally important, and for this again you need to calm down first, because postpartum depression is a very very common thing, and it happens in the woman, and it can create havoc in your life. So basically just calm down and just ignore the pressures which you feel. I have seen this, women are body shamed for this, only there is a society that only thin women, who are thin, they are accepted in the society and they are praised for their beauty. See, we have so many celebrities moms, and they are called yummy mummy, and they are they are people get inspired from them, that see how they look even after pregnancy, after delivery. But we have to think about this thing, that they have a lot of support with them. You should also get support, then only these things are possible. So you should not run after this weight loss suddenly, when you just have delivered the baby and you are again into your weight loss process. And again I would emphasize on one thing: metabolism rate is different for each and every person at every age. So it depends on age also. If a woman who is 25 and she has given birth, and she has lost her weight for in 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, whatever, and she's again become fit and fabulous. But a woman who has delivered in her 35, she has to remember that her body is not that of a 25-year-old, and her metabolism rates are different. So she has to be calm with her body. So these things we need to take care, because I have also seen these things, these body shaming things, and how fat she's looking. Oh my God, what has happened? My relatives used to tell me, oh my God, what has happened to you? Why are you so fat? Do something. But I just smiled at them because I knew that, in the course of time it will happen. I was not in a hurry. So there should not, first you should be calm down. That's my concern, first. And what if you were, for example, if you, before pregnancy, you were, I was always 63, 64 before pregnancy, and after that, when I delivered my baby, I was 80. So, but even if I, again, if I lost weight again, and I'm still losing weight, and if I become 68, 69, and it becomes constant, or 66, how does it matter? It's not about the weight, it's about how you feel about your body, how healthy you feel. So many back issues crops up when you deliver a baby, and these things needs to be taken care of. So please don't run in this marathon of losing weight, and just to clicked in the just to get clicked on the social media. We do so many things which are wrong. So you need to take care of your nutrition, your sleep, everything. Then only you should be joining this process of weight loss. Don't be in a hurry. Nobody is having a lens and watching. And if you we talk about celebrities, see, definitely they have a profession out of that, and they need to do that because they are paid crores and crores of money for that. But for your if I talk about a normal woman who gives birth, so she has to take care of her family, her child, and so many things she needs to take care of. So these they we don't get that kind of support which these celebrities get. So we need to understand this thing, that don't be in a hurry for anything. Prepare your body first, deliver the baby, and give yourself time. Don't feel guilty of anything. And then I would say that some things I wanted to say, that take your supplements on time, take care of your oral health, that is very very important. And post pregnancy, whatever rituals are there, they are there to help you, be it laddu eating, or be it 40 days isolation and everything. They are for your support, and just sail through that time, and and just calm down. And then hair fall also happens. Don't get panic. A lot of hair fall will be there. Don't get panic, it will be all right in some time. Just give your body that time, and proper nutrients, and just take all the supplements on time, whatever doctor has prescribed you, and take care of what you are eating, what is the portion, and what are the nutrients in that food. That is very very important. And next is I want to tell you that 5 years of calcium is lost once a woman delivers a baby. So to regain this calcium, you should be taking care of all the things which, like, you should drink milk, and their calcium supplements also, everything. So please take care of this thing, because this weakness doesn't go away easily. Then if you don't take care of it, and you're in a hurry to just lose weight, so this is a pedal which we are always and then take help. In upbringing your child, take help. I took help. I had my help at the house, and I took help, because it is very very important. Don't try to do everything on your own and just decide, no, he's my child, she's my child, I'll do everything. Take help, calm down, and stop feeling guilty of anything what you do for yourself. Even if you're watching a movie, be it watching a movie, be it visiting someone, or be it meeting someone, don't feel guilty. And don't pressurize that newborn to give you all happiness. It should be a vice versa thing. You should be happy first, and then you can keep the child happy. That is very very important. Pamper yourself, and don't be in a hurry for anything, be it planning a baby, be it after delivery things, weight loss, and everything. So a tamasha has been created out of this weight loss thing, that we have to lose weight, we have to look good, we have to look thin. Even I have seen so many things, that how fat she looks and everything. But gradually I lost it, and I knew it, I will lost it. I had that confidence in me. People used to tell so many things, but I didn't care, because I knew what was my health condition that time. I had severe back issues. So I wanted to first get healed properly, then I was thinking about this weight loss thing. So gradually I lost a lot, and still I am in the process, and I'm not in a hurry for anything. So these were the things I wanted to share with you, and these things are very very important as a woman, I feel. And I hope you if and if you want to share anything, please share in the comment section. We all are like a family only. And if you like my video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to click the bell icon, because it will give you my regular video updates. Thank you so much. Ciao.